Quick update here on Bitcoin on the central command trading terminal with the cheat code overlays that is signaling that we are likely here going to bounce on Bitcoin and not actually sell off. Okay, so number one, this is completely free, the central command trading terminal. The details are down in the description below. If you haven't checked this out, if you don't know what it is, go and check this out. It's 100% free. We built this whole trading terminal that you can actually connect your Blofin exchange account to via API. So we don't touch your funds. That's fully in your control in your account. You can connect the API and you can actually trade your Blofin exchange account through the terminal. And then we've built all these cool overlays, one click. You can see over here, turn them on, turn them off. So specifically this one is the range deviation and the EMA ribbon. And this works just on all time frames, all pairs. And we built this so that we have an edge over the markets versus just trying to do stuff manually, trying to guess, is the price going to go up or down, making bad decisions based on fear or greed or tilt or being tired. All of that stuff has been removed. That's why we built this. So very simply, this works 24/7, doesn't get tired, doesn't have a bias. It just works based on the price action. Red means it is getting overbought, which you can see over here, and this just works very, very well. So when you see red, it's a warning that you don't want to be longing there because it's most likely a top. Number two is you can consider closing your open longs that are in profit. And number three is we can look for a short, a reversal after the red when we get the EMA ribbon flip. So the price goes below the ribbon and the ribbon flips, and then we can short that all the way till it turns blue again. And you can see here, this is the 4-hourly chart. So this actually caught the entire short from the 80,000s. You can call it 80, 83,000. Even if you would have gotten in 79, 78, something like that, it would still have been a massive ride all the way down to like the low 60s or maybe 60K. Then it started turning blue, and that is just the inverse, right? So at blue, it means you don't want to be shorting because it's oversold. We want to be looking at potentially then closing the shorts that we have from up here. And number three, when we get the EMA ribbon flip, we can look potentially at longing this, right? So you can even see here, this was a bottom. It caught it from 60 up to about 67. So it's still kind of struggling here. It's making a bottom here again. So if we get the EMA ribbon flip, that is kind of the technical signal here. If we can get above here, where the entry would actually only be around like 62, 62.5. But if we get that, we're probably running back up into the 70s most likely. Now, we can obviously zoom down on the lower time frames to get better entries, right? So we can go down to, for example, the 1 hourly, and you can see the more you zoom in, obviously the moves are in proportion to the time frame that you're looking at, right? So over here, we got this top here at about 67, perfectly warning us that we shouldn't be longing into this. Remember recently, about a week ago, 67, and boom, then it dropped into blue. And you can see here, because it's a lower time frame, we're almost about to flip the EMA ribbon here, just above, call it like 60, maybe 61,000. So compared to the 4-hour, you're going to get the EMA ribbon flip much sooner. And the key is here, right? So you might be seeing here, okay, well, you had an EMA ribbon flip here, and this was kind of like a false signal, but this wasn't the signal to go long, because how it works, or how I use it anyways, is we wait for blue and then the signal flip. Here there was no blue, right? So the trend was still down. Here we have blue, we have oversold. So now an EMA ribbon flip is far more likely to result in a reversal to the upside. And then obviously you can go down time frames as much as you want. You can go to the 15-minute. I can even day trade this on the 1-minute chart. It's really cool. It depends on your style, like how you want to trade. If you're trading high leverage, scalping 1 minute to 15-minute, okay, that's fine. If you want to do more swings, you're looking at the 1 hour to 4 hour. And maybe if you want to do like longer term swings, or maybe even just spot, you're looking at the daily, the 3-day, or the weekly. And this works on all time frames, on all charts. I'm just showing you Bitcoin here, and you can see we have a move here. So I think here, if we go back, let's go back to the 1 hour. I think here, based on the 1 hourly chart, we just got to get the time frame right here. I think based here on the 1 hourly chart, we're looking at not going much below 58,000 if we even get back there already. We flip the EMA ribbon and we're looking at, then you can combine your traditional price action, your mechanical. Maybe we're going back up here to about 65. We have a bunch of liquidation levels which you can add over here. We've also got that built in, and this is completely free, guys. We're built this out. We're completely subsidizing everything while we're building it out, continuously adding to this, and it's just getting better and better. So anyways, you can see here the liquidation levels, 61, 61.8, 62, and then there's actually a bunch up to 63 also. So I do think this favors upside. It's Sunday as I'm recording this, so maybe we get a bit of a squeeze on a Sunday, you know how things go, and then we'll see next week. But I do think there's a good chance based on this that we are seeing more upside. And obviously a trade is a trade, so you need to manage your risk. You're never going all in with your full account size and max leverage. That's just stupid. So ideally, I'd be looking with a stop like below 58, below these lows. And you can see there's a bunch of liquidations here also. So you have to kind of be prepared for it. So to be really safe, I think you'd want to be like looking at maybe 57.5 or 57 for a stop loss, just in case it just makes another move down first before moving higher. But it's also completely possible that we move higher from here, and I just wanted to share that with you guys. So the terminal is completely free for now. Eventually we'll probably end up charging it, but as we're building it out and still in beta and we're developing, it's still 100% free. Go and sign up. I'll put the details in the description down below. Play around with this for yourself. Like, you can literally choose like any ticker, right? We have crypto, we have equities, we have indices. It works on everything, right? So if we go here and we, for example, do gold, boom, you can load it up on the gold chart. It's very, very simple. You can add in your time frames, how you want, and you can see how well this works. It's just a visual guide to help you understand when things are overbought and oversold, so that you're not longing the tops over here like most people do, simply because we're human. We're prone to emotion, right? We think, oh, it's going up, 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 and we want to long here because we don't want to miss the upside, and then you get wrecked, you buy the top and it goes down. Versus here, you can clearly see here, oh, well, this is not where you should be longing. And then on an EMA ribbon flip, you can actually even short it. So even if you shorted it like over here with the stop there, waiting till it got blue, well, you would have caught a nice move here to the downside, even here on gold on the 1 hour. And here when it turns blue, you would know then, okay, well, this is probably not a place to be shorting. Maybe close open shorts. And on the EMA ribbon flip, you could have longed somewhere over here. And in theory, that would still mean we are still long here until it turned red. You can see over here. And then you would have caught a nice move to the upside. So again, 100% free for now. Go and access it. Once you're locked in, you got this. Details in the description down below. And feel free to share, like, and follow our account for more updates.